Okay guys, today we are going to discuss two terms which are simply unbelievable. The first one is quantum entanglement. Sounds big, but rather the concept is simple, but the phenomenon is huge, immense. And the second concept is space folding. So you would have heard of telepathy amongst some people, especially twins. There are many different kinds of twins. There are Siamese twins, there are monozygotic twins, there are dizygotic twins. The monozygotic twins are also called maternal twins, and the dizygotic twins are called fraternal twins. These are not, I'm not going to get into all these topics because today is not relevant. Today we are going to discuss a universal phenomenon which is just unbelievable. Okay, so telepathy simply means when one of the twins or the twins are separated by a long distance. Let's say one of the twins live in India, the other one lives in, let's say, US, or let's split them further. One lives in Australia, the other one lives in US, halfway across the world. Now, when the twin sister in US feels depressed, there is a tendency for the other sister living in Australia to feel depressed without any reason whatsoever. There is no reason whatsoever to feel depressed, but still she feels depressed. Similarly, when the sister in US falls ill with a mild fever, the sister in Australia also shows a feverish tendency. The science was trying to explain across years, but has failed. But then this is one of the facts of life. But what I'm going to tell you today is simply fascinating. We'll take a look at some slides. Okay, please. See, what you see here is a phenomenon called quantum entanglement. See, just like the twins that we discussed, it is said that galaxies also have twins. See, there is a galaxy which looks like, say, Milky Way, our galaxy, somewhere in the universe. I repeat, it is believed that, it has been seen through space telescopes that galaxies also have twins. And what is fascinating is these galaxies may be separated by billions of light years of distance. But then, it's possible these two galaxies are seen to communicate with each other. Not only that, it's possible to travel between these galaxies in a very short time frame. And it's believed that it's possible in seconds. There is a connection between these two distant galaxies through a tunnel, space tunnel. It's called a wormhole in space. You would have heard of black holes. A wormhole is a kind of space tunnel connecting two distant galaxies, through which you can reach the other galaxy in a matter of seconds. So this is the concept of wormholes, okay? So the next concept of space folding. You may see the visual and then I'll show you a demo, okay? So this is what is known as space folding. In other words, space has been seen to fold. In other words, just like a paper folding, space folds. and suddenly the distant galaxies come close. I'll show you a simple demonstration with a piece of paper. What is space folding? Can you just come back to this piece of paper, please? Okay, please watch. Let's say we have a galaxy here, marked X. Another galaxy is here. And there are billions of light years separating them.